Hare Krishna. We have often heard the word Ashtakam in Sanskrit. And Ashtakam is a poetic composition written in 8 stanzas. There are many Ashtakams on Lord Sri Krishna composed by his various devotees. But today, we are going to be dedicating one such Krishnashtakam composed by the great saint Sri Adi Shankaracharya. One who hears or recites these 8 verses pleases Lord Sri Krishna. Here is how the meaning of this beautiful prayer goes. I bow down to Lord Sri Krishna, who is described as an ornament of Raja. He is the one who vanquishes all of our sins. Holding a flute and a peacock feather on his head, the son of Nanda pleases his devotees. He carried the huge mountain Govardhan on his little finger and broke Indra's pride, swallowed fire and liberated Gajendra. The soulful music from his flute is adored by all. His curly hair and earrings of beautiful Kadamba flowers steals the heart. He solves the problems of the Devatas and takes care of the entire world. I bow down to Lord Sri Krishna, who shines in all the directions. On this auspicious day of Janmashtami, let us listen to this beautiful Ashtakam from the lips of Swara Sandeep from grade 2 of New Horizon Public School. I'm sure that for a while from now, all of us will transcend this material world and experience bliss. Hare Krishna.
Vaje vraje kamandalam samasta papa khandanam swavarta chittaranjanam sadaiva nandanandanam suprichya vuchchamastakam sunada venuastakam alangaranga sagaram namami krishnanagaram मनोजगर्वमोचनं विशाललोललोचनं विधूतगोपशोचनं नमामि पद्मलोचनं करारविन्दभूधरं स्मितावलोकसुन्दरं महेन्द्रमानदारिणं नमामि कृष्णवारणं कदम्बसूनकुण्डलं सुचारुगण्डमण्डलं प्रजाङ्गनेकवल्लभं नमामि कृष्णदुर्लभम् यशोदया समोदया सगोपया सनन्दया यतं सुखैकदायकं नमामि गोपनायकम् सदैव पादपङ्कजं मदीयमानसे निजं ददानमुक्तमालकं नमामि नन्दबालकम् समस्तदोषशोषणं समस्तलोकपोषणं समस्तगोपमानसं नमामि नन्दलालसं भुवोभरावतारकं भवाब्धिकर्णधारकं यशोमतीकिशोरकं नमामि चित्तचोरकं मृगन्तकान्तभङ्गिनं सदा सदा रसंगिनं दिने दिने नवं नवं नमामि नन्दसम्भवम् गुणाकरं सुखाकरं कृपाकरं कृपापरं सुरद्विषन्निकन्दनं नमामि गोपनन्दनं नवीनगोपनागरं नवीनकेलिलम्पटं नमामि मेघसुन्दरं ललितप्रभालसत्पटं समस्तगोपनन्दनं हृदम्बुजैकमोदनं नमामि कुञ्जमध्यकं प्रसन्नभानुशोभनं निकामकामदायकं प्रगन्तचारुसायकं रसालवेणुगायकं नमामि कुञ्जनायकम् विदग्धगोपिकामनो मनोज्ञतल्पशायिनं नमामि कुञ्जकानने प्रोद्धवन्निपायिनं यदा तदा यथा तथा तथैव कृष्णसत्कथा मया सदैव गीयतां तथा कृपा विधीयताम् नमामि काष्ठकद्वयं जपत्यधित्यया पुमान् भवेत्सनन्दनन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् श्री कृष्णाष्टकं संपूर्ण